How to send documents through email. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your Gmail application on a device and make sure that you're logged in to your account on Gmail application. Now, tap on the compose icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, as you tap on the compose icon, you can simply see on how you can select whom to send. So I'm going to select an email ID over here and then simply select on the subject. So let's tap on the subject over here and then tap on compose email and select on this attach file option at the top right corner of the screen. Select on files and here you can simply select among the files that you want to send to the particular person. I'm going to select on this particular profile over here and then just select it and then send it right away. And as you do that, you can send documents through email. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.